Welcome to a new episode of our series on digital transformation. Today we will explore a revolutionary concept that could change corporate leadership as we know it: artificial intelligence, AI. As CEO and total oversight of operations through a digital twin. Thanks to advances in AI and digital simulation, it is now possible to automate strategic and operational decision-making in real time, optimizing all of a company's resources and processes. A digital CEO is an AI system designed to oversee all of a company's operations and make key strategic decisions. Through the combination of AI algorithms and a digital twin, which is a virtual replica of the organization, the digital CEO can monitor, analyze, and optimize every area of the business, from production to human resources. This approach allows human managers to focus on innovation and strategic growth, while AI manages day-to-day operations. A digital twin is a virtual representation of all of a company's assets, processes, and operations. Using real-time data from IoT sensors, production systems, and other resources, the digital twin enables AI to simulate scenarios, foresee problems, and automatically adjust strategies to optimize business performance. For example, an industrial plant can use a digital twin to monitor machine performance, adjust production, and predict failures before they occur, minimizing downtime. The benefits of having an AI as CEO overseeing operations through a digital twin are enormous. Real-time decision-making. AI continuously analyzes data and adjusts strategies instantly. Resource optimization. AI automatically adjusts human and physical resources, improving efficiency and reducing costs. Scenario simulation. Digital twins make it possible to simulate risk situations and optimize operations before problems occur. Reduced human error. By automating key tasks, operational errors are minimized, improving consistency and quality. A leading example of AI implementation for total monitoring is Tesla. Using a digital twin, Tesla monitors all aspects of its electric vehicle production in real time, from manufacturing to inventory management. The AI adjusts production based on demand and optimizes machine performance, minimizing downtime. Thanks to this approach, Tesla has been able to reduce operating costs, improve energy efficiency, and increase the quality of its products. Implementing a digital CEO not only affects operational efficiency, but also business culture. With AI managing day-to-day operations, employees can focus on more creative and strategic areas, while managers focus on growth and innovation. This combination of technology and human talent creates a more agile and dynamic environment. Despite the advantages, the implementation of a digital CEO poses challenges, especially in the ethical field. It is critical to ensure that AI-automated decisions are transparent and that ethics and privacy principles are respected. Organizations must clearly define the boundaries of automation and ensure that there is an appropriate balance between human and AI oversight. The digital CEO and the use of a digital twin represent the future of business management. With AI managing operations in real time, companies can optimize resources, reduce errors, and improve efficiency. If your company is ready to take the next step in advanced automation, contact me on LinkedIn to explore how we can help you implement an AI-powered monitoring system. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content on how technology is revolutionizing business leadership and management.